What do you believe great SaaS leadership looks like in the AI first world?
I don't think the more relevant thing now in terms of building a SaaS company is data and experimentation. As you know, we have this set of values that we've set up for Pictory, the CREDOs, and I think that's really important now more than ever. So CREDO stands for curiosity, respect, expeditiousness, data, and openness. Curiosity about what's going on in the market, what the LLMs are producing, what kind of questions we can ask, respect for the team. Like one of the things I'm realizing now is a lot of people are now able to build with AI without having an AI background. You can build an AI company but not have an AI background. And I have a lot of respect for that. I have a lot of respect for talent around that, respect for customers who use your product, respect for technology. Expeditiousness is just the nature of the game now. Everything is moving so fast, models are evolving so fast. And then data, it's all about data now. Launch and see how things work, and then iterate very quickly, and then build in the open, build in public, openness. So I think that CREDO is the key thing here.